So Burning Highway was shut down, and we kind of had to come through Turner Station here. Well, as you can see, there's a guy in the middle of the road. It's about up to his waist, and everything is completely flooded. Streets.
Sorry, I'm trying not to make it too bad. Sorry, I'm not
Everything.
trying to make it too spicy for it.
Everything is underwater.
Yeah, we're heading out this way.
That Magnum is gotta be
Down here, it's deep.
at least, almost floating
shit.
right now. Keep going, Olivia.
Our exhaust is underwater. All right, thank you.
They just said our exhaust is underwater. Holy crap.
Exactly.
You gotta go, Olivia. Oh, man. Watching your friend or something. Oh, this is even better. There's a bus behind us. The water is up to his windshield and he is just getting it.
All right, where do I go, Dad?